Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to schedule emails based on your recipients' time zones in HubSpot. This is incredibly useful when you're sending campaigns to a global audience and want to ensure your message lands in their inbox at the optimal time, no matter where they're located. First, open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. If you already have an account, click Login and enter your credentials to sign in. If you're new to HubSpot, you can click Get Free HubSpot CRM to create an account and get started. Once you're signed in, navigate to the left side menu and go to Marketing, then click on Email. This section houses all your email campaigns and drafts. Here, you'll either click on the name of a drafted email you want to edit, or if you're starting fresh, select Create Email to begin crafting a new campaign. With your email open in the editor, look for the tab labeled Send or Schedule at the top of the screen. Click on this tab to access your sending options. This is where you'll control when and how your email gets delivered to your contacts. In the sending options, you'll see an option to schedule later. Select this to set a future send time rather than sending immediately. This opens up the scheduling controls where the magic happens. Now within the scheduling options, look for the setting that says Schedule based on recipient time zones. This feature is what allows HubSpot to intelligently send your email at the time you specify, but adjusted to match each recipient's local time zone. Select this option to enable it. Next, choose the date and time you want your email to arrive in your recipients' inboxes. For example, if you select 9 a.m., the email will send at 9 a.m. in each contact's respective time zone, ensuring maximum engagement across different regions. If available, click Check Recipient Time Zones to preview when your emails will actually land in different time zones around the world. This gives you a clear picture of your send schedule. Before finalizing, confirm that the time zone behavior is set correctly. HubSpot should show that it will send according to each recipient's time zone, with a fallback to your account's default time zone for any contacts missing time zone data. Finally, click Schedule to lock in your time zone-based send. Your email is now queued to deliver at the perfect local time for each recipient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.